Well, it's a very good morning. Hear those birdies chirping. But I don't go to work today. It's Saturday. Gonna have my last cocktail. Got sour cream for my food, cream for the coffee. I got a little bit of ice in the bucket. There's the ham right there for breakfast. And I got a last Billa down there in the bucket. The ice. Gonna make me a last cocktail. Going in the glass. Cold. Ooh, this reminds me when I was a kid in Illinois in the 1970s and 80s. Gonna get me a last cocktail. My last beer. I'm gonna go get in that bed. I'm gonna wake up in the afternoon. Got my cream for my coffee. Oh, I can smell the woods. Look. The birdies are all out getting worms down there. Look at those. See those red flowers that are growing wild out there? Wow, that's the Czech Republic for you. It's good, doesn't it? Because it is good. Where those rabbits go? Man, there were 2 rabbits running around here. Oh, wish I could have got them. They were too fast. 2 jackrabbits. I want to see those jackrabbits. Man, there were 2 or 3 of them. They were chasing each other, and they ran into the woods over there. Wish they would come back. See those long-legged, big-eared jackrabbits. All those red flowers down there. Alright, I'm gonna go watch the German news, but in English. Look at all those nice flowers. Look at all the nice birds. Okay, it's getting a little later. Yeah, it gets... the sun comes up around 4:30 now, so... Let's watch the news. In English, German news, they like to listen to it too, so I'm not going to play it in German. And actually, the one in English is pretty entertaining. Where are those rabbits? Almost trying to hang that dark towel over the window so the sunlight doesn't come in and get us. Oh, it's nice and dark over there now. Walking to the store. Right, Mama? Benjamin too. Carrying my empty beer bottles. Turn them in, I'll get 3 new beers for free. What I found in the store, some cherry Coke. It's like about a 4-kilometer walk. It's gonna be good. Fresh bag of ice too. It's getting ready to be dark. There's a damn bee getting ready to come in here. Yes. I like the sugary drinks too with fizz. The Coke in the Czech Republic is much better than the one in Atlanta. It has more fizz, and they don't use corn syrup. Just sugar. Last time I was back in Atlanta, I had a can of Coke, and it gave me a heartburn. Probably because of the corn syrup and the lack of carbonation. It gets flat really fast, I remember. I don't like that. I like it good and fizzy. Yep. Corn syrup Coke ain't no good. Oh. Gotta get it before my son does. He'll just drink it straight out of the bottle, warm. He's European. I was like, aren't you gonna put that on some ice or something? He's like, nope, I don't like ice. Brother. Czech American kid doesn't like ice. I did something wrong. Tonight we are having bagels. They had bagels at the Lidl today. Bagels with cream cheese and some high-grade Czech smoked ham. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Tonight for Din Din, we got toasted bagels. Benjamin already had his bagel with cream cheese and some of that good ham. But this is going to be just a snack with some tzatziki from Lidl. This is a really good tzatziki. I like this one. Not too bad for 24 crowns, which is like €1. Let's get some. Mama already had a bagel with cream cheese, but she loves garlic, so. And let's have another. My new favorite. Still novinka. Still new. You can smell the garlic. Smell the garlic in that tzatziki. We got some toasted bagelness to dip it. Oh, you know this is good. Oh yeah. Here, Mama. Get you some too. Oh yeah. I like to get it. When I was in Germany in 1992 the first time, I went to this place called Taverna. It was a Greek bar and restaurant. And they would put this bread and tzatziki on the table as soon as you sat down. And it was for free. It's kind of like in a Mexican restaurant in the US, you get chips and salsa. Well, you got this. And since then, I've been addicted to Greek food. Mmm. Oh, it's so good. Yep, that was in Iserlohn, Germany. Kind of unheard of place. But yeah, I lived there a couple of years. That's where I learned to speak my Deutsch. It's a really good place. We had good doner kebab place, good Greek places to eat. There were, I think, 2 Chinese restaurants. Some places where you can get some pizza. Of course, a few German restaurants. Oh yeah, there was a McDonald's too. There was one McDonald's. God, I remember that was expensive. You eat McDonald's like once a month. But they were open late, and they had ice too. Where you couldn't get, we used to get ice there to make cocktails. I always talk about ice. Alright, I'm going to save a little bit of this. This tzatziki is really good. Oh yeah, I love Greek food so much. My very last course, when I graduated finally from university, when I was, I can't remember, I was 31 or 32 when I finally got it done. My very last course was Modern Spoken Greek. I really liked that class. And I still know it. I'd like to get better in it, but still haven't been to Greece yet. But I can order food, and I can read the signs, and I can talk about all kinds of stuff. I learned a lot in that class. I had a really cool professor. He was a big shot attorney. He drove $100,000 BMW, and he had a PhD in Hellenic studies, and he taught Greek in the night school, and he loved it, and he got us all really interested in it. He was a great professor. His last name was Podopoulos. Anyway, I'm gonna drink my beer and quit running my mouth.